And as you know, personally, sitting at home, the pandemic has changed so many aspects of our lives, especially the way we work.
COVID-19 is transforming people's relationship to work, with millions now out of a job. And many more getting used to working in a very different way. The proportion of Americans working from home full-time has gone from 1 in 50 to more than 1 in 3.
Even as the country reopens, many Americans are still working from home and plan to do so for the foreseeable future. But as we get used to this new normal, is the great work from home experiment actually working?
With the arrival of COVID-19, the way in which people interact for work and school has greatly changed. The mass migration of online and remote working for companies and educational institutions has caused millions of people to alter their lifelong behavior in an attempt to adapt to the current situation. The sudden change for people has exposed the importance of in-person collaboration and communication and how it can impact people. This issue was brought to the forefront when we interviewed a collection of workers and students.
Your happiness at work is so much more than the job you're doing. And you can have a job where you love the content of it, but if you don't have strong relationships, if you don't have any kind of relationship with those people, if it's a toxic environment, it won't matter what you're doing. You can't be happy, because what surrounds you is equally important. Now, mind you, for us though, I also have a number of people who work for me that value those relationships. That's why they take university jobs. That's why they're working with students, right?
Human to human interaction is so important, especially in classes, because it's really hard to tell if someone is understanding a concept if you can't really see them.
As for working at the office, I can say that I miss actually being able to have access to my coworkers right there. We had lots of whiteboard and collaborative space at my old office. And it was really convenient to, if I want to discuss something with someone, just grab them, get a meeting room, and just start writing on the board and working on the problem together.
And now that we only see each other every once in a while, I think I'm still able to maintain those connections with my boss. Like the people I literally don't ever see now in person. I definitely don't have any connection with them.
I do miss the in-person meetings a lot. That to me, I can sell myself a whole lot better in person than I can on video. It's just easier in person.
But I definitely miss the social interaction with my coworkers. It feels, I mean, not that, we would goof off or anything, but the just daily interactions of how's your day going? Things like this, how was your weekend? You don't really get that anymore.
Younger workers, they make friends and connections and a network where they can get on in life later on. It's very hard to build a kind of esprit de corps in a company for people who haven't met. Offices will be less of a prison cell and more of a collaborative area, more of a games room, where you go in to try and shoot the breeze with your colleagues and come up with something different.
From these interviews, it is clear that remote workers have a need for a method to better simulate in-person work or school, both environmentally and technologically. This need will help guide our team as we progress through the project to find a solution.